Here's how to get API key from Nano Banana Pro. First is search on Google for API key from Nano Banana Pro and you will be able to see their different methods. Let's do the first method where we will be able to click on the Google AI Studio API keys and we will be redirected on this page. Now make sure that we are on the API key options and then click on the key options. And then afterwards, you will be able to see there the import projects. And then the API keys that you created will be saved there. Click on the default Gemini project or the project that you created the key with, and you can copy the API key that you created. You can also search for a project that you created an API key with. And then afterwards, you can go ahead to the dashboard and create your own API key. And then afterwards, you can name your key depending on the name that you wanted. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and select what type of project would you like to set it up. And then wait for a few seconds until the API key will be connected or created. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and copy the API key that you just created. Now you have an API key for your Nano Banana Pro.